I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay.
Do you like playing games? Want to trade places?
No.
No, hindi sa dito.
Awesome KO!
Boring. No, not that.
Hey, let's get down to business. Can you turn me toward the TV?
I live in a box.
Yeah. What do you think? I'm silly, buddy? Hello? I'm Mr. Fantastic.
Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
Whoa. I wish my box was a boat. Choppity, choppity, chop, chop.
I live in a box.
No, hindi sa dito.
I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright? Can you...
Extreme KO!
Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here?
I live in a box.
Hey, let's get down to business. Ooh, do you know anyone famous? Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Choose something else. The Buddy-O-Matic!
Awesome KO!
No, hindi sa dito.
That's not good. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while?
Oh!
No.
No! Help me! Oh, God!
You got anything I could read for a few...
Fork over some dough.
Boring.
I'm getting longer.
Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
Well.
Boring. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? So... excuse me. Boring. So... Can I go watch the X-Files for a while?
Be careful, it's quite an old box.
So... I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright?
Extreme KO!
Do you like playing games? Have you been to the moon?
Whoa! I think I need a transfusion.
Starfish multiply when cut.
Blood's in me instead.
I don't like it. I'm not happy that way.
Get off me, Freddy!
Ooh, that's better.
Uncle Skip, snake bite venom.
Oh, the pain!
I don't need pruning.
You take it! Starfish multiply when cut.
Get off me, Freddy!
Awesome KO!
I live in a box.
No, not that. Stop, drop, and roll! Open the window!
Mama!
You're a bad person. Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Siri, call the ambulance. Open the window! My God, why?
Awesome KO!
Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. No, not that. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
Can you turn me toward the TV?
Extreme KO!
Even hear that? Read the directions. There's nothing sacred. Oh, God! That's not right.
KO.
Read the directions.
No. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
Oh, no! I'm not happy that way. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. No, 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 no! Oh!
I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright?
Babushka! I'll never sleep again. Yow! Oh!
Ultimate KO.
Well. I would put that back.
Time out! Can you turn me toward the TV? I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games. I'm dying! I'll never sleep again. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay.
Steady, I'm gonna take a bit.
Extreme KO.
Oh!
Don't get my box wet.
Fetch me some coffee, please.
I live in a box. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay.
What's going on?
I was thinking of becoming a DJ.
I live in a box.
Can you hold the phone?
Awesome KO.
Boring. So... I live in a box.
Bless your beautiful heart, wherever you may be.
Stop, please!
You know what you're famous? Can I go watch the X-Files for a while?
I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Help me! Ow, 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 ow!
I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright?
Mind if I catch a nap here?
I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder.
Hey, let's get down. Think of your karma. Oi!
Ultimate KO.
Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
You're killing me! Yow! Oh! No! Ow! 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 Stop! Don't! Oh, God! Oi!
Awesome KO.
No. Hey, stop!
Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? No, not that.
Oh! Whoa!
Medic!
Oh, I've been hit. Biggie, stop! I can't take this. Oh, I've been hit. No! Oh, please, stop! No, please! Oh, I've been hit.
Man down!
Go to a shooting range.
Medic!
Oi! I can't take this.
Man down! Medic!
I can't take this.
Man down!
KO.
Can I go watch the X-Files for a while?
Go back to the Big's motel. Help me! I don't want to be sick.
Hannibal, let's go.
Awesome KO.
So... put it back. Yeah, just put it back.
Mama!
What's wrong with you? My God, why? Oh, oh, oh!
No.
My God, why?
Ultimate KO.
No.
Open a window!
Oi!
My God, why? Open a window! I'm burning!
You're killing me! Enough! Help me!
Enough! Siri, call the ambulance! I'm burning! You're a bad person! Ow! 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 Ow!
Ultimate KO. Awesome KO.
Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
Steamboat Willie.
Give it up!
Awesome KO. KO.
Choose something else.
Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun. Enough!
I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder.
Stop, please!
I'll never sleep again.
What about karma?
You're killing me!
Can you turn me toward the TV?
Extreme KO.
Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
Steamboat Willie. Oh, bang! Ouch! I'm burning! Stop, pop, and roll! You're a bad person. Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Open the window!
Extreme KO.
Choose something else. Mind if I catch a nap here? I'll never sleep again.
What about karma?
No. I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder.
The pain!
What about karma?
Help me!
Take up your karma!
Ultimate KO.
Boring.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Hey, it's lonely in here.
Maybe get a milkshake instead, hmm?
I think I need a transfusion.
If I had fingers, the things I could do. Click, click, click.
Starfish, multiply me. I buy Band-Aids by the truckload.
band-aids by the truckload.
I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright?
Bludgeon me instead.
The Buddy-O-Matic, it slices, it dices. Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead. I'm dying. Freak me, do I not bleed?
I'm out. Oh, please, stop, no, please.
I like band-aids.
Extreme KO.
Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? That looks dangerous!
Ma, can I stop?
I live in a box.
Are you taking it?
Time out!
Bruce! Hey, stop!
Son of a beast thing.
Ultimate KO.
I don't like it.
Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
Mama told me not to come. Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead.
Ultimate KO.
Mind if I catch a nap here? What's that for?
Stop.
Incisions.
You're quite the gay blade, aren't you?
Freak me, do I not bleed?
Ultimate KO.
Pay attention to me. Maybe get a milkshake instead, I live in a box.
Ultimate KO.
I gotta pull myself together. Oh, pardon me.
Ultimate KO.
Mind if I catch a nap here? You have any puppet modeling agencies?
KO.
Mama told me not to come.
Oh, that's unusual.
I think I need a transfusion.
Time out.
Likely nightmares.
I'm dying.
Ultimate KO.
Oi!
That's my world.
This is a slice of life.
You're too scary.
Just a little off the top.
Ultimate KO.
Go back to the base motel. Get off me, Freddy!
Can you turn me toward the TV?